The SJ-100 airliner, built entirely with Russian-made systems and components, has completed its first flight from the factory airfield in Komsomolsk-on-Amur. The aircraft, numbered 97004, was developed at the production center of the Regional Aircraft Branch, RAB, of PJSC Yakovlev, part of the United Aircraft Corporation, UAC. Equipped with PD-8 engines produced by United Engine Corporation, UEC, the plane remained airborne for about an hour during its test. Rostec confirmed that the jet was the first to be produced with serial technologies in its target configuration, marking a step forward in Russia's import substitution program. The company said the SJ-100 aircraft features an updated fuselage and dozens of systems developed to replace foreign parts. Currently, 24 serial aircraft are in production at various stages of readiness. This confirms that Russia has been and remains an aircraft manufacturing power capable of creating modern aircraft both in international cooperation and without the participation of foreign partners, the company said in a statement. The Regional Aircraft Branch of Yakovlev, together with the Federal Air Transport Agency, has been certifying the modified airframe of the SJ-100. Chief designer Kirill Kuznetsov said the updated design allowed the airframe to be produced with serial documentation. Modification of the airframe was required for the installation of Russian systems and units, as well as to simplify the production process and maintenance of the aircraft, Kuznetsov said. The facility is now preparing for serial aircraft production, with deliveries expected after certification tests are completed and approved. The SJ-100 import substitution program is entering the serial production launch stage. The program team, which includes more than 140 first-tier supplier enterprises, has worked hard to ensure that the first aircraft built using serial technologies takes to the skies, said Alexander Dolitovsky, director of the Regional Aircraft Branch of Yakovlev. The SJ-100 is a short-haul, narrow-body aircraft designed to carry 100 passengers. As part of the import substitution program, it features Russian-made avionics, chassis, auxiliary power unit, control systems, power supply, air conditioning, fire protection, and passenger cabin interiors.